Hello and welcome to Rita Simplifies Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize your YouTube channel. This is a follow-up video of the how to create a YouTube channel video. In case you've not seen that, the link is on your screen, you could check it out. So we want to customize our channel. I'll click on Customize Channel. On the Layout tab of Customize Channel, we can see that we can add channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. A channel trailer is like a short video telling viewers what your YouTube channel is all about. We can also add a featured video for returning subscriber. This video could be any of the video you've uploaded before, or you can actually do a featured video so that once anybody comes to your channel, the video will automatically start playing. We can see examples of featured videos from other channels here. And we also have the featured sessions. We have the short video and the uploads. Short videos are videos that are usually less than 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. YouTube introduced YouTube Shorts, which is kind of like imitation of TikTok, and whenever you upload videos like that, it will be saved under this feature session of short videos, and then all your uploads will be showing here. This our channel is brand new, that is why you could see that all these are 00. Then we'll go to the branding tab. In this branding tab, we could select a profile picture and upload it here. So I'm just going to go with a photo. I just selected one of my random photos and I'm putting it here as my profile picture. So right now I can also upload a banner image or the channel art. And one very good tool that I use in designing this is Canva.com. So once you're on this website, I'll be linking it in the description so you could go ahead and check it out. So once I'm here, I could type YouTube channel art and I'll be able to see a blank template, or there are also templates that I could actually use. Let me go with that template. I could just come here and edit it, the biz of business moderator, for example, and then click on download. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to upload it to my photos, then go back to YouTube and click on upload. I'll navigate to my photos and select that image that I just uploaded. So this is showing you that this portion is viewable on desktop. This is viewable on all devices. If it's on desktop, you can view this. If it's on TV, this is what you'll view. And so it aligns perfectly well, especially when it comes to view on all devices. So I'm just going to click on done. We can also use the video watermark, and this is just like an image, a watermark image that you can decide to use it on every of your video. It said an image that is 150 by 150 pixels recommended. So I'll also go to Canva and I'll select create a design, custom design, and then I'll put it at 150 pixels by 150 pixels and create new design. Let me get a shape first of all. Let me use this. Once I have this shape, I'll go to elements and type video, and I have something like this. I can put it here, change this color to black. Come here for text. So I'm going to change this color to white so it will be visible on this black background. I can also increase the text. Once I'm done designing it, I'll click on download And once it's done downloading, I'll upload it to my photos. So I can now upload my watermark here. I think this is okay, and click on done. Whenever I upload any video, you'll see my watermark here telling my viewers subscribe, or it could be even your profile photo. Whatever you want, you can actually make that choice and design it here. And Canva is a very great tool to use in designing. You can decide to use the watermark at the end of your video. Custom start time, that's you can set the time you want it to come, maybe for 5 seconds or more, and then you can also choose to put it on the entire video. So I'll go with this option. Then I'll go to the basic info tab. So here is where you will tell your viewers what your channel is all about, and it's also very important for search engine optimization. So YouTube algorithm will be able to know what your videos is all about. It's important for you to say who you are, the kind of content you'll be dropping on your channel, and how people can connect with you. So I'm just going to use my channel as an example. As you can see on the screen, you can see that I am saying my name and the kind of videos I'll be dropping, and if it's something you like, I also mentioned that you could subscribe. And basically that is what you want a good channel description to be all about. You could draft your channel description and fill it right here. So we also have the channel URL, so you can copy and share it with people. You can also add links to your website. In this add link session, you can decide to send your viewers to other websites, and you can add the link title here, and then the URL will go on this box. So what I want to do is actually the links on banner. So the banner ads on our channel can actually have links. Let's say I say connect with me on my link title here, and I put maybe www.facebook.com, and then I pick on this first thing because I can add multiple links here, and your contact info. This is where your email address should come in for business inquiry. So I'm just going to click on publish. So looking at more settings, we are going to go to this settings option, and then I'll click on channel. When you get to the basic info tab, you can choose your country of residence here. Let's say this my channel is all about marketing, digital marketing. So I'll need keywords like maybe marketing separated by comma. I could do something like content marketing if my channel is featuring this kind of content. It's very important for you to actually research your keywords and know the kind of content you'll be putting out, and make sure you put your channel tags here so that people will be able to find your channel through your content. Go to advanced settings here. So on this advanced setting, you can choose if your video is for kids or it's not for kids, or you want to review these settings for every video. So I'm just going to go with that option. You can also link your Google Ads account if you have one, and you can also decide to check this box so that YouTube don't show potentially inappropriate words. And this subscriber count, you can also decide to uncheck it so that people don't know the number of subscribers you have for your channel. And if it's checked, that means people can see the number of subscribers your channel has. I'm just going to leave this interest-based ad because, as you can see, it's going to reduce your channel's revenue. You don't want anything that will reduce your revenue, so it's okay for you to leave it. So I'll go to the upload default. If you want to set a default for your titles, your description, your visibilities, and your tags, that is if all your videos will be having the same title, maybe description, a particular word in your description will be appearing in all your videos, or visibility, or even your tags. If they are the same, then you can add them here. Since my channel will always be about digital marketing, I can put this as my tag. So on advanced settings, we can also see the YouTube license, the category of videos you're uploading, a caption certificate, our comments, holding potentially inappropriate comments. You can decide to change them as well, and it will apply to every video you upload, or you can decide to do them on every upload. So I'm just going to go to permission. So on permissions tab is basically about managing and assigning permissions in your brand account, and also like choosing who will play the role of a manager, editor, and all those stuff. So I'm just going to leave that. And then when you come to your community tab, you can add moderators, approve users. You can also add block words such that people will not be able to use insultive words in your community comments or post. So I can also click on this block link, because sometimes people spam links in the comment section of other people's video. So if you block this link on your channel or in your community, as you can see, new comments with hashtag and URLs will be held for review. The comments on your video, you can see this option, hold potentially inappropriate comment for review. So that is the default. So I'm just going to leave all of that, allow all comments. You can decide to hold all comments for review or disable comments. You can also do this, whether hold potentially inappropriate chats messages for review when you are doing a live session. So I'm just going to click on save. I'll click on publish and go to channel. As you can see, our channel is all set up with our channel ads, our profile picture, and the link I placed on the banner. So you can add multiple links, either your Facebook page, your Instagram, and once people click on it, they can go directly to connect with you there. Just navigate to the YouTube home screen, click on my photo, go to the settings. We can add or remove managers. You can add users, that's people that can manage your channel for you, or assign their roles, invite and remove users. This is where you can do that. Now that our channel is all set up, let's try uploading a video. So if I want to upload a video, I could either come here to upload video, or I could go to manage video, or I could click on this create, and it will all direct me to the same place. So once I click on that, I'll be able to upload a video. So I have to select my file. Let's say I have this video to upload here, then I'll choose for upload. So here I can fill in the title of my video, my description will go here. I can also decide to upload a custom thumbnail here. That is what people will see before clicking on my video to watch. And Canva is also a very great tool for you to do that. Once you come to Canva, just search for YouTube thumbnail, and you see a lot of templates you can use and customize. And I can also create a playlist here by using this button, creating a playlist and adding my video to that playlist. I can also select if my video is made for kids or not. When you click on the more options, you can select this if your video is if your video has paid promotion, so that your viewers will know. And just like the tags we set as default, you can see that they are also appearing here. So we can add more tags to our video, telling YouTube algorithm what our video is all about. You can also select the language and caption certificate for your video. You can also put a recording date and the video location, and change your license, add category, and once you're done, you can click on next. You can also add an end screen and cards to your video. This is my very first video on this channel, so that is why this is inactive. But once you are uploading your second video, this should be active so that you will be able to add end screen. So this is an example of an end screen at the end of a YouTube video, and this is an example of cards, what you see on the top of the screen while you are watching the video. Click on next. Once this checks is done, you just click on next and you'll be able to make your video public, or if you want it to be private or unlisted, so that anyone that has the link will be able to see your video. You can decide to choose that, but I always leave my videos to be public. You can also select a date and time you want to make the video public, and if you want to schedule that, you click on this option, fill in the date and time, and I'll hit publish, and my video will be on my channel. Basically, that is how to customize a YouTube channel and how you can upload your very first video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. And please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.